Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make a monster maze game in Scratch. So right now I'm going to name the project Monster Maze. This game is basically the monster is going into the maze and we're going to help the monster to get out of the maze. So right now we're gonna get a maze. So you guys can draw your own maze. There's this is your opinion. There's two things that you can do. You guys can draw your paint. You guys can draw your own maze, or you guys can upload it. Right now I'm going to upload it. I found a picture from Google, and for that one I will put the link of the picture if you like. So if you like, you can download it from there as well. Yeah, but if you wanted to draw, you can draw as well. But I'm gonna upload it. So I'm gonna upload, and I have saved it to my folder already. I will give the link of the image from Google in the description box below. So this is the maze. So I'm gonna delete the first backdrop, and now we have to add a new sprite. So I'm gonna add a sprite, and the sprite will be the Gobo, which is, I'm gonna name the Gobo the monster because I say monster maze, and Gobo looks like a monster. I don't really know what is Gobo, but yeah, so the Gobo is really big, but we'll set the size later, so don't worry about that. And now I'm gonna add some code for the monster. So now I'm gonna go to events, and yeah, just in case when green flag clicked, something will happen. Then go to X. This will be the place where the monster will be when the game started. So it will be negative 172, and the Y will be 117. And now I'm gonna go to control forever. I'm gonna go to forever, and I'm gonna go to motion and set the rotation style from left to right. So you guys might be wondering, what is this block for? So I didn't really use this block usually. This is like, yeah, maybe this is a new block for you guys because I didn't really use this block on the other videos. This block means that you wanted to set the rotation style, which means that if the monster wanted to turn left, the monster face, the whole body turned to the left, and also when it turned to the right, the whole body turned to the right. So this is, you guys will see when I start the game. So now we're gonna add the rest of the code. I'm gonna go to licks, and we're gonna set the size, which is because the monster is really big. So we're gonna set the size to 27%. If it's too big, I will change it later, but I'll just move on the next code. We're gonna go to motion. We're gonna do the move 4 steps. So you guys can do like a 5 or as you like, but I think 4 steps is enough. If it's not enough, I can do it again. So now I'm gonna go to control and if then. Yeah, this block is really common block. Yeah, this is really useful block as well. So if something happened, then something happened. Then something will happen because of, if the thing happened, then because of that thing, another will happen. So like that. So if, we're going to go to sensing, if the touching the color, for the color we're going to click it, and we're going to choose this thing, and will be the depend on the color of your maze. So if your color of your maze is like a yellow, if your color of your maze is a blue, if it's a purple, it will show up purple. For now, my color of the maze is black, so I'm going to go for black. So, if you guys can see, this is black. So, if you click it, the black color is there. So then, if touching the black color, if the monster is touching the black color, then we're going to the motion, move, then move negative 5 steps, which means that it won't go anymore. Yeah, so yeah. So now, it's going to be about the direction. So point space key press, we're going to change that to up arrow, and then we're going to go to motion, point in direction 0, point in direction 0. So this is about the direction. So about the up arrow, down arrow direction. So if it's like down arrow, it will be like 180. Yeah, so like that. This is about the direction. So yeah, about the direction that the monster wanted to point. So then we're gonna go to advanced one, space key press. I'm gonna go for this time down arrow, and then now the direction again, pointing direction. This time the direction will be 180 direction. So next one is gonna be this is about the direction. This is kind of complicated though. So the direction is like kind of complicated, but it's up. Just remember, if it's up, it will point in direction 0. If it's down, then it will point in direction 180. So now I'm gonna go to advanced. So one space key press. One space key press, not space key. You're gonna be down, oh no, not down, I mean right. So, gonna go to, this time the direction will change, not 180 or 0. This time will be 90, point in direction 90. There are 4 directions, so yeah, this is about the direction, so yeah, 0, 180, 90. And then the next one will be a very simple one, kind of similar to the right direction. So one left arrow key press. If it's the right is point in direction 90, then it will be, so point in direction negative 90. Done. So now I need to add some sprite, because before we add a sprite, I'm going to just test it. So yeah, so you have to use your arrow keys in your keyboard, which is up, down, and right and left. You can go it. Okay, so this is me set rotation style to right and left. It set the rotation style to right, left, yeah. It set the rotation style to left, right, left, yeah, like that. So it move when your arrow key is pressed. So it's a change. So what you have to do is you have to go to there. You have to help the monster to get out of the maze. Okay, it's working pretty well. Wow, it's working pretty well. Now, so you get out of the maze, but you guys think it's kind of boring just like playing the game? So we will add more sprites to make it more fun. So we're gonna just add some things under there, so just in case. So I'm gonna add a sprite, and I'm gonna add like something like for the monster. So I'm finding something. So what should I add? And like maybe I might add like a candy, or like we're gonna go to food, maybe like a food because I like to eat. Oh, code it. Let's love it. I love it. I'm gonna do it. So now for the size, maybe like 45. I guess. No, maybe 50. I don't know. Just do it. Oh, I think 45 is good. So I'm gonna do 45. And now I'm gonna add a sprite, like another sprite. I'm gonna draw the sprite this time. I'm gonna paint. I'm gonna add a text called "You win." You win. You win. You win. You win. So right now you win. And now I'm gonna add some code. So I'm gonna add like for the monster. For the monster is like another if block. This time, go to sensing if touching the mouse pointer. Not the mouse pointer, it will be the heart candy. If touching this heart candy, then something will happen. What something will happen? So now I'm going to go to events. You have to broadcast a message. Broadcast a message means the message will go to another sprite. The message will go to a sprite, another sprite. It means you broadcast that message to another sprite. So the monster will broadcast the message to the you win sprite. So I'm gonna make a new message called win. Okay, win. It's gonna be the win broadcast, and then I'm gonna go to sound, and this time I'm gonna go to sound. I'm gonna upload some sound like So the last day I saw a sound called win. That sound. So broadcast the message of win, and then it will start sound win. And then we're gonna go to you win. So we broadcast the message, and we will get the message again. So before we get it, when green flag click, it will hide because it will not show up, because before the player get win, it doesn't have to show up. So we don't need that. So we're gonna hide it. So when green flag click, it will hide, and then we broadcast the message when I receive win. When I receive win, we broadcast a message called win. When I receive win, then it will show up. It will show called you win. Okay, so yeah, I hope that works. So now we're gonna just test it if it's work or not. Okay, so we're going out of the maze. Okay, I'm pretty fast now. So now, yes, I'm gonna just do it. Oh, okay. So I think something around here. Yeah. So the monster went down. So yeah, it's good now. Okay, let's just play it again. Because the monster went down to the heart candy, and at that time you have to move it back to the candy, so that it doesn't go down again. So yeah, if it doesn't work, you can just go bring it back to friend. Yeah, you can do like that as well. But I don't really do like that because that's actually work. Yeah, so you have to bring it back, bring it to the friend for the monster, so that it doesn't go under the candy. So now so right now it doesn't go. Well, it doesn't go under the candy now. Oh wait, I just stand it under the candy. Come on. Wait, how can you win? Yeah, win. So yeah, you will win. So that's it. So this is the end of my video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.